Want to welcome everyone here today to the groundbreaking for Legacy High School, Hollingsworth Academy, and the Transitions program.
Just want to thank the community and thank everyone for being here, and just let you know that not only will this impact our students in the next several years, but really it's generations for years to come that will be using these facilities. And it's just so exciting that we get to be part of this work that will benefit this community for the next 50 to 60 years. Thank you.
49th Street Academy went through a process with their students and their staff to come up with recommended names for the school board. Ultimately, the board accepted Hollingsworth Academy as the name.
And so we're so excited to have that name and to let our students show them that they can be resilient and overcome all the obstacles in their way.
Something I'm looking forward to in the new school is the two courtyards inside and the one outside, and I am looking forward to the new gym that we're gonna have and the basketball courts outside and stuff.
The part I'm most excited about is that we have a new culinary space that the Career Technical Education Department has designed. So Legacy students will now have an opportunity to learn aspects of the food and hospitality industry, preparing them for careers after high school, while also preparing them and providing them a graduation pathway.
A new building will mean so much to students, and it shows that we are important, valued, and cared for. Last but not least, I want to thank the school board for recognizing that our district needs a school like Legacy where students can be successful.
Doing this, I mean, it makes it real. I can't thank enough the architects and folks who've helped us design a place, this is going to be amazingly special. I also want to recognize the students and staff from the transition program that are here. I think just you being here demonstrates how excited you are about this and how special this is going to be for you.
I think I speak for everyone here when I say that this is a huge day for everyone in this class. Along with being a transition student, I'm also a former Legacy student, so I can see where they're coming from with this, especially with it being a much larger school from the last few. I simply want to thank everybody involved with this because I think it's going to help a lot of students.